going to take and put this clear packing tape over this whole entire piece to secure it down. So you'll do this. And you want to make sure that the packing tape only goes over that part, and any extra you want to just slice off or cut off with scissors, whatever's easier. Okay, and then make sure you secure it down on all sides. Okay, now we see this little hole here. We're going to go ahead and cut that little hole out. So I'm just using my produce knives to cut the hole out, and we're going to go ahead and remove that piece or push it back so it's out of the way. You got a yellow funnel that came with your package. Put the yellow funnel in there. At this point in time, you're going to put whatever seeds you wanted to in there. So your cabbage seeds, your small seeds in general. We're going to remove that, and then you're going to want to cover that hole with something. And what I did was I just basically folded a piece of packing tape over on itself, and then I put that piece of packing tape over that hole. That way the seeds will not stick to the inner part of that, and then you can just take this completely loaded thing and put it into your junior. So you put it straight in. That'll keep the seeds in the small seed insert and make sure that it's planting just the seeds that are in there and they're not scattered all through. Any questions, please let us know. 724-971-0888 or call us at 724-946-2973. Thank you.